Hello besties, today we are doing a vinyl drip wrap using vinyl and glitter and a template. But before then, let me welcome you to our YouTube channel and also make sure that you check us out on all our social media handles under Misfit Makers and click that subscribe button so you'll be notified of any new content. You can check out our website and our Patreon as well. Okay, so we are going to be using Pop of Color on this 24-ounce plump from the Tipsy Magnolia. This color is called Lavender Icing from Pop of Color CCDIY. It was one of our exclusive colors for our birthday bash. One coat and she is done. And you got to make sure it's good and dry before you move on to your next step. I use 2.5 mLs of A and 2.5 mLs of B for Fast Set from CCDIY, and I'm using it as my adhesive to apply my glitter. Remember, very little is needed for this method of applying glitter. I probably use a total of 2 mLs, if not less, but I never mix more than or less than 5 mLs. So I'm using this color called Perry Twinkle by the Glitter Guide. It's a beautiful purple that has a slight color shift, and it is just freaking gorgeous. So after you apply your glitter, then you want to let it completely cure. No need for sealing. And then after it's cured, I'm going to give it one good coat of Fast Set from CCDIY. So here she is, one coat of epoxy. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness, this color is gorgeous. So I'm going to lightly sand it along my rim and get any high spots. Usually I apply my wrap before I glitter it, but I wanted to try something different. Here is this wrap. How beautiful is this? And of course, this is Ghost Malone by the Glitter Guy. This is out of the Misfit Makers vinyl palette or vinyl pack. Go check it out. I will make sure to list it in the supply list. Okay, so I made a little mistake here. I should have put some transfer tape. I should have used transfer tape to apply my wrap. But I thought, I got this. I can do it without any transfer tape. Well, don't be like me. I struggled hard. I figured it was going to be as easy as applying a wrap. But first, I had trouble lining it up. As you see here, I was trying to do it like I normally do. And then everything was going well until those drips. Those drips tried to move on me. They tried to wrinkle. Oh, they were just a pain in the butt. So I had to focus so much on the drips that I left a bunch of bubbles everywhere. See those bubbles right there? Well, if you get bubbles like this, just use a little pen and poke them out and then smooth them out. You won't be able to see them once you epoxy, so don't worry. But yeah, this kicked my butt. Whew. So after I applied my vinyl wrap, I'm going to apply my vinyl strips. These come with the template already, which will be listed in the description. I will say whenever you are measuring for your template, make sure you take into account that if you place it on stainless steel, or like me, I have a coat of glitter and epoxy on this. So my cup is going to be slightly larger around because of the extra thickness the epoxy and glitter added. So just keep that in mind. If you are doing it over your stainless steel, it shouldn't be a big deal. But like I said, I wanted to do it over glitter this time. I don't know what came over me, but anyway, I thought this part was going to be the hardest part, but actually it was a breeze. Like it went around so quickly. And right here, it's where it gave me a little trouble. Mostly because my X-Acto knife was not sharp and my edges kind of overlap weird, but just kind of make it work so it looks seamless. And look, see, I had to put a new blade, interrupt my tutorial to put a new blade, and voila, it made all the difference. So after applying my drippy stripes, I went ahead and cut out a circle out of the same vinyl in the size 2.5 just to give like a little peekaboo of the same vinyl at the bottom. You don't have to do this. I just thought it was an extra little flair. Okay, so now we are going to epoxy it. I mixed 20 mLs total of A and B, and I added a teensy bit of this additive. I believe it's called Ultra White. It is my favorite additive. It gives a little sparkle. Also, if there's any imperfections in your vinyl like mine, or you had to pop a lot of bubbles, this is going to mask or hide, camouflage all your little imperfections, and a little goes a long way. So I'm going to give it one coat of Facet and then one final coat using Artist Resin by CCDIY, and look how pretty she is. I'm obsessed. It's a simple design, but so much can be done. You can do it backwards. You can do glitter where the vinyl is, vinyl where the glitter is. You can do a peekaboo at the bottom. Lots of things. I hope this inspired you to make your own. Thank you so much to all our supporters. Thank you so much for subscribing. Make sure that you follow us so that you can be notified of the next tutorial. And we'll see you guys next time.